From dashboard, open accounting, then select chart of accounts. The chart groups accounts by asset, liability, equity, income and expense. Review balance, active status, ledger view and edit control. Create code 1202, demo opening receivable. Choose asset and nest it under accounts receivable. Enter 1250 as debit, add the evidence description, then select add account. BooksIQ returns to the chart and confirms the account was added. An opening debit needs an equal opening credit. Never leave migration differences unexplained. Create code 3401, demo opening capital, under equity and opening balance equity. Enter 1250, choose credit, document the source, and add the balancing account. The chart now contains the balancing equity account. The two controlled opening entries contribute equal debit and credit values without changing current period income. Select the account edit control, review its code, name, type, parent and opening side, then update the description to show reviewer completion. After save changes, BooksIQ returns to the chart of accounts. Use inactive status instead of deletion when an unused ledger must remain visible for historical traceability. From the left menu, open Reports, then select Reports. The Report Hub includes trial balance, general ledger, opening balance verification and audit trail. Use ledger detail for account-level evidence, then use trial balance for whole book equality. Open opening balance verification to compare the previous financial year closing with the current financial year opening. This staging company has no posting on or before 31st March 2026, so no prior year carry is available. That is different from an unbalanced current year opening. Return to reports and open trial balance for the selected financial year and asset date. The report shows demo opening receivable, 1250 debit, and demo opening capital, the same credit. The balanced status is confirmed, total debit and total credit are both 1,12,088 rupees.